most of the times people defer PRP because of some painful experience which they have. I mean, because PRP is, I mean, you all know that it's injecting platelet-rich plasma into the scalp with the fine needles. But that if at all, I think most of the doctors are opting nowadays adding some anesthesia into the PRP and the technique what you are using. And if you can use some vibration devices, it is actually a very less discomfort procedure. It's not painful, very mild painful, but you can actually tolerate it. If you can score from 0 to 10 is a pain score, 0 is the least and 10 is max. I mean, you can control up to 2 to 3. Even that too only for a couple of minutes. Once the anesthesia takes action, then most of the pricks you won't even know, you won't even realize. So if you are going to expert and if you are visiting a proper dermatologist and cosmetologist, probably they will be able to help you to address this issue. As such, it is a very easy, simple procedure. You can safely go with it.